Want to make some extra money? Stick around and learn how to turn your love for trendy fashion to a side hustle with little money to start. Today we're diving into the world of sneaker reselling. Whether you're a sneakerhead or just looking for a new side hustle, this video is for you. Hello, my name is Cece and welcome to Inside Your Hustle, where we talk about potential ways to make you some side money and save you some money as well. Are you ready?
Yes! Yes! Oh!
Hit it! You could turn your side hustles into your main hustle. Number 15, sneaker reselling. I'm so excited about this one. This has become such a huge market over the past few years, becoming a billion-dollar industry. But if you don't know how to get started, it's okay. I'm here to break it down today. First things first, you need to understand the market. Popular sneaker releases are usually limited, and the demand often exceeds supply. This creates a perfect environment for reselling. Websites like StockX, GOAT, and eBay are your best friends for understanding market prices and trends. StockX and GOAT provide real-time data on sneaker prices, recent sales, and historical trends. This information helps you determine which sneakers are worth investing in and at what price. Now let's talk about sourcing. There are several ways to get your hands on the hottest sneakers. You can enter online raffles, camp out at local sneaker stores, or travel around to different sneaker stores to increase your chances of securing a pair. Remember, the goal is to buy low and sell high. Online raffles are one of the most popular ways to cop limited releases. Brands like Nike, Air Jordans, Adidas, and Yeezys often hold raffles for their most sought-after sneakers. Make sure to follow these brands on social media and sign up for their newsletters to stay informed about upcoming drops, like the recently released Nina Chanel Air Jordan collaboration sneakers. I'm still trying to get a pair. When buying kicks, be sure to buy unisex sizes such as US 9 for men and US 10.5 for women are often popular choices for both men and women buyers. Keep an eye on gender-specific sizes that have strong demand. Definitely make sure to consider popular athletic endorsed sneakers and target the sizes that correspond to the athlete's foot size. Now let me tell you, once you got your sneakers, it's time to sell. High-quality photos and detailed descriptions are keys to attracting buyers. Platforms like eBay and Depop are great for researching a wide audience. Make sure to build a good reputation about providing excellent customer service and shipping your products promptly. When listing your sneakers, include multiple angles, close-ups of any flaws, and the original packaging. Honesty is crucial. Buyers appreciate transparency and are most likely to purchase from a trustworthy seller. Now let's talk about pricing. Research similar listings and recent sales to set a competitive price. Keep in mind the condition of the sneakers, whether they're brand new or heavily used. The condition of the sneaker affects the value. Be patient. Sometimes it takes a little while to find the right buyer. But the key is to stay persistent, keep an eye on the market. Prices can fluctuate, and sometimes holding on to a pair a few months can yield a higher profit. This side hustle is so lucrative that there's a 27-year-old named Valentina Zampata who makes more than $500,000 from it. Her passion for sneakers turned into a highly profitable venture, showing that with dedication and a keen understanding of the market, even a hobby can become a thriving business. For her and many other hustlers, the business of sneaker resale is not just a moneymaker, but a testament to turning personal interest into a major financial success. Lastly, network with other sneaker enthusiasts and resellers. Join online communities, attend sneaker conventions, and follow influencers in the sneaker world. Networking can lead to valuable insights, tips, and even collaboration. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed this info, don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so that you can learn more about other side hustles that you can turn into your main hustle. Now let me know in the comments down below if you're going to try sneaker reselling as a side hustle. And remember, you are amazing. Bye-bye.